Let me clarify 2-3 things which have been taken either out of context or are
being played up.
Let's just say taken out of context. First and foremost, National Conference was a member of the India Alliance. We continue to remain a member of the India Alliance. On the question of seat sharing, we have been very clear for the last few months that in the 6 seats of erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, 3 seats in the valley, including Rajouri Poonch, Jammu and Udhampur. 3 seats are already with India Alliance, the ones that National Conference won in the previous parliament election. Therefore, the seats that are to be discussed are those seats that are held with the BJP. We are firm on that position. What the party president, Dr. Farooq Abdullah Sahab, talked about today while coming out of the office was a reflection of what the cadre of the party feels. The National Conference cadre has made no secret about the fact that they would rather fight elections on all seats. But the truth is that sometimes for a bigger objective, small sacrifices have to be made. If the bigger objective is to win seats back from the BJP, Jammu, Udhampur and Ladakh, then if it is necessary for the National Conference to enter into seat sharing understanding with the Congress, our doors are open. We have not yet had any formal discussions with the Congress, but informally some dialogue has taken place. There is scope for further discussion, but I would like to make very clear that our commitment to the India Alliance remains, even though founding members of the alliance unfortunately have over the last few weeks left. We are not amongst those who are leaving. We will continue our discussions with the Congress and we hope to arrive at some seat sharing understanding on that. As far as the NDA is concerned, we are not the sort of party that has our feet in multiple boats. Once we make friends, we stick to those friends. I am not sure how the journalist who is putting out this story arrived at the conclusion that our doors are open for the NDA, because they are not. I would like to make it categorically clear that no door, no window, not even a crack is open for the NDA. Our entire objective of fighting the parliament election first is to get seats back from the BJP. As and when assembly elections are announced, our aim in the assembly elections will be to come back with a sizable number so that we can start to undo the damage that the BJP has done to Jammu and Kashmir since 2019. To undo the damage, we can obviously not be a part of the NDA. And our entire campaign at that time, when the assembly elections happen, will be to target the BJP for everything that they have done to Jammu and Kashmir. तो ये कहना कि हम NDA में जाने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, ये सरासर गलत है, ये झूठ है, बेबुनियाद है. इसके मतलब मैं जानता हूँ ये क्यों किया जा रहा है. यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों की आदत है, जब वो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को मजबूत देखते हैं तो हमें कमज़ोर करने की कोशिश जो है उसकी साजिशें रचाई जाती हैं. बातों को जो है तोड़ मरोड़ के पेश किया जाता है. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, सबसे पहले ये कि NDA के साथ हमारा कोई वास्ता नहीं है, ना आगे जाके हम NDA के दरवाज़े को खटखटाने के लिए तैयार हैं. ना NDA के लिए दरवाज़ा खुला है, ना खिड़की खुली है, ना कोई ज़रा सी भी हमारे तरफ से कोई गुंजाइश है. जहाँ तक ये तासुर दिया जा रहा है कि हम NDA को छोड़ रहे हैं या इंडिया को छोड़ रहे हैं या हम इंडिया को आज कमज़ोर कर रहे हैं, मैं दोबारा अपनी बात जो कई महीनों से हम करते आए हैं, इंडिया अलायंस के पास पहले से ही 3 सीटें हैं. श्रीनगर, अनंतनाग और बारामुल्ला. 3 सीटें जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख की वो BJP के पास हैं. हमारा मकसद आज BJP को रोकना है और इस मकसद के लिए कांग्रेस के साथ सीट शेयरिंग की जो प्रक्रिया है वो अभी शुरू हुई नहीं है. फॉर्मली, इनफॉर्मली कुछ बातें हुई हैं, उनको अब हम फॉर्मलाइज़ करेंगे. आगे आने वाले दिनों में हमारे तंजीम के जो साहिब सदर हैं वो अपने कुछ साथियों को बुलाएंगे. हम पहले अंदरूनी तौर इस पर मशवरा करेंगे और उसके बाद कांग्रेस से बात करेंगे.